everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathelight. In this video we'll continue with exercise 4B from chapter Linear Inequations. So starting with question number 33. Solve the following equation, write the solution set and represent it on the number line. Minus x by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2 minus 1 by 3, which is less than 1 by 6 where x belongs to R. Inequation दिया है, we need to solve the inequation. Second thing, we find the solution set, and third, plot it on the number line. So write down the inequation first, okay? So I'll start from here only. I'm not writing it again. दो inequality signs है, so what are we going to do? We are going to split it into two parts, solve separately, and then again combine together. Okay? Combine the solutions. So first inequality sign and LHS RHS consider करेंगे, and then the second inequality sign and LHS RHS. Okay, so minus x by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2 minus 1 by 3, and x by 2 minus 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 6. Okay, we group x together, okay, and number on the other side. So I want x to remain positive, okay? So I'll shift x by 3 over here and 1 by 3 over here. ठीक है? You can do the other way around also. X by 2 को यहाँ पे shift कर दो and then solve. But I am doing the other way around. X by 3 I'm shifting over here and 1 by 3 over here. So 1 by 3 positive हो जाएगा, less than or equal to x by 2 plus x by 3. And over here I'll shift the number on the other side. Okay, x by 2 ही है यहाँ पे, so let it remain as it is, and 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 हो जाएगा. So solve this mixed fraction first. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4, so 4 by 3 less than or equal to LCM लेंगे. Okay, और crisscross method that I follow. Denominator को opposite numerator से multiply करेंगे. यहाँ पे भी denominator को opposite numerator से multiply करेंगे. Put the sign in between and then multiply the denominators. So that is criss, cross and then the denominators. So 3x, put the sign in between, 2x upon 2 3s are 6. And over here, x by 2 is less than 1 by 6. And यहाँ पे भी 4 by 3 हो जाएगा. Okay? So shifting 6 on the other side, so 4 into 6 upon 3 is less than or equal to 5x, and over here x by 2 is less than, taking LCM, okay, so multiply by 2 in both numerator and denominator, so 8 by 6 हो जाएगा, over here 3 2s are 6. So 4 2s are 8 is less than or equal to 5x, and over here we are getting x by 2 is less than 1 plus 8 by 6, that is 9 by 6 हो जाएगा. So shifting 5 over here, 8 by 5 is less than or equal to x, and over here x by 2 is less than 9 by 6. So 3 2s are 3 3s are, okay. So दोनों में denominator में 2 है and the signs are same, so I can remove 2 in next step. So x is less than 3 हो जाएगा. Okay. 8 by 5 we can express in mixed fraction form. So write it in mixed fraction form. 5 1s are 5 and 3 remainder होगा. So 1 3 by 5 is less than or equal to x, and x by 2 is less than 3 by 2, so 2 cancel हो जाएगा, x is less than 3. Okay, so this is the range we are getting. X is greater than or equal to 1 3 by 5 and less than 3. So combine it together. X is greater than something and less than something. Greater than or equal to 1 3 by 5 and less than 3, and x belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, it is given over here, it belongs to R, that is real numbers. So solution set will be in set builder form. Set builder form में लिखते हैं. So solution set x such that x belongs to R and condition will be 1 3 by 5 is less than or equal to x is less than 3. Now we need to plot on the number line. So the range for x is 1 3 by 5 to 3. So कैसे plot करेंगे? 1 3 by 5 है, so ये कैसे plot करेंगे? For that what we'll do is keep a bigger gap between the numbers. 1 2 3 gap थोड़ा बड़ा रखो. So negative numbers are not included over here. Just include one negative number. -1 0. So keep a wider gap. Okay. 1 2 3. Why? Because 1 3 by 5 lies between 1 and 2. Okay, lies between 1 and 2. So कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे यहाँ पे? कहाँ पे आएगा? So 5 है डिनोमिनेटर में, so you have to divide 1 to 2 जो रेंज है, okay? 1 to 2 के बिटवीन ही लाई करते हैं 1 3 by 5. So 1 to 2 ये जो पार्ट है, you have to divide it into 5 parts. डिनोमिनेटर में 5 है, so divided into 5 parts. So 5 parts में डिवाइड करने के लिए 4 लाइन्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. You have one part like this. 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने के लिए 1 2 3 4. ओके, सो 5 पार्ट्स हो जाएगा. 1 2 3 4 5 पार्ट्स हो जाएगा, है ना? सो 5 पार्ट्स के लिए 4 पार्ट्स के लिए 3 पार्ट्स के लिए 2. ओके, सो आई होप यू आर गेटिंग एन आइडिया. सो 5 पार्ट्स के लिए 4 लाइन्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. इक्वल होना चाहिए लेंथ. 1 2 3 4. So you can use scale. With the help of scale, you can easily draw. Okay. So take proper measurements. So 1 to 2 ये है. Now 1 3 by 5 कहाँ पे होगा? 3 out of 5. Third part out of 5. So 1 2 3. Third part out of 5 consider करेंगे. Okay. So 3 out of 5. So circle this. Okay. Now will it be included? Yes, it will be included because x is equal to 1 3 by 5. It will be greater than or equal to. So, and of course fractions are included in the set of real numbers. So include hoga. Up to 3. It can be 2.99999 but not 3. 3 is not included. So सिर्फ circle कर दो 3 को. And in between any value is possible. So draw a thick line, dark line, okay, with the help of scale. Pencil से थोड़ा dark line कर दो, okay, but it should be very neat and visible, okay. Let's read the next question, question number 34. Find the values of x which satisfy the inequation -2 5 by 6 less than half minus 2x by 3 which is less than or equal to 2 where x belongs to w. Graph the solution set on the number line. Inequation दिया है. First we'll solve the inequation, then find the solution set, and third is plotting on the number line. So write down the inequation, okay? And over here x belongs to w, that is set of whole numbers, okay? So -2 5 by 6 is less than half minus 2x by 3 which is less than or equal to 2. Though inequality signs hai, we are going to separate into 2 parts and then again combine. Okay. So -2 5 by 6 is less than half minus 2x by 3 and half minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 2. Okay. So over here we shift x wala term. Okay. Why I am shifting this? To make x positive. And number I'll shift over here. So number on one side and x on the other side. So 2x by 3 I'll shift on the other side. So positive हो जाएगा. This sign as it is. Half b as it is. And this will become positive. So mixed fraction है. Solve करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Over here again I'll shift x वाला term and 2 over here. Same reason I want x wala term positive. So 2 will become negative and this will become positive. So 2x by 3 is less than half plus 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 by 6. And over here again LCM लेना पड़ेगा. So multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4 upon 2 हो जाएगा, less than or equal to 2x by 3. टू एक्स बाई 3 is less than, LCM लेंगे यहाँ पे, 2 and 6 का LCM 6 होगा, so multiply and divide by 3. So 3 by 6 plus 17 by 6 and your 1 minus 4 by 2 is less than or equal to 2x by 3. So 2x by 3 is less than, 6 common हो जाएगा, 3 plus 17 that will give 20. And over here minus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to 2x by 3. Solving further, 2x by 3 is less than, 3 plus 17 हो जाएगा 20 by 6 and over here minus 3 by 2, we'll shift 2 by 3 on the other side, तो 3 by 2 हो जाएगा, reciprocal हो जाएगा when you shift on the other side. Okay, so 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2 and this 3 minus 3 by 2 as it is less than or equal to x. Over here I can cancel by 2, 2 से divide कर सकते हैं, so 2 3s are 2 10s are, common factor है 2. So 2x by 3 is less than 10 by 3. In next step we can remove 3 from both the denominators because दोनों 3 है and same sign है, so it will become 2x less than 10. So यहाँ पे minus 9 by 4 is less than or equal to x and over here 2x is less than 10 and यहाँ पे we can express this in mixed fraction form because numerator is greater than denominator. So 4 2s are 8 and 1 is the remainder. So minus 2 1 by 4 is less than or equal to x and here we'll get x is less than 10 by 2 and here we have already solved. So x is less than 5 and minus 2 1 by 4 is less than or equal to x. So x का range मिल गया. Okay, we'll combine it and see what will be the range for x. X is greater than something, less than something, greater than or equal to minus 2 1 by 4 and less than 5. So this is the range and it belongs to W, that is set of whole numbers. So write down over here, x belongs to W. We have to choose the value of x from the set of whole numbers. Okay, so whole number starts from 0, you know? So it will be starting from 0 0 1 2 3 and so on. Are negative numbers included? No. Are fractions included? No. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2 1 by 4. Negative numbers है. So are we going to include negative numbers? No. Minus 2 minus 1 ये सब neglect करेंगे and we directly start from 0 because whole numbers में negative numbers are not there, even fractions are not there. So 0 से start करेंगे. Up to what range? It is less than 5, not even equal to 5. Equal to भी नहीं है, less than 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 I can include. Okay? Will we include 5? No. Had it been equal to 5, अगर दिया होता, then we would include 5. But it is less than 5, so maximum value will be 4. Okay? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the values of x. Possible values of x. So solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw the number line. Very easy. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 को thick dots कर देंगे वहाँ पे. That is, draw the circle, small circle and fill it. These are the only possible values, not even the values in between. Okay, so this will be the plotting on the number line. Moving on to next question, question number 35. Solve the following inequation and write the solution set 13x minus 5 is less than 15x plus 4, which is less than 7x plus 12, where x belongs to R, represent the solution on a real number line. So over here inequation is given. First thing that we do is solve the inequation. पहले solve करेंगे inequation को. Second is solution set, and third is plotting on the number line. Okay, so we have to plot it on the real number line, that is x belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, so write down the inequation first. Solve करते हैं. दो inequality signs हैं, so what are we going to do? Split it into two parts. Okay, and then again combine the solutions. Let's see what will be the range of x. So 13x minus 5 is less than 15x plus 4, and 15x plus 4 is less than 7x plus 12. Okay. So x we'll group together and number together. What I'm going to do is I'll shift 13x over here. 15 minus 13 positive 2 मिलेगा. Okay. So instead of shifting 15x, I'm shifting 13x, and 4 को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. So number on one side, minus 4 minus 5, less than 15x minus 13x. So x on one side. Same logic over here. 15x as it is, and I'll shift 7x. So 15x minus 7x is less than 12 minus 4 हो जाएगा. So minus 9 is less than 2x. And over here 8x is less than 8. Minus 9 by 2 is less than x. 2 को shift कर दिया on the other side. That is basically dividing by 2 on both the sides. So x is less than 8 by 8. So we get minus 4.5. That is, we'll get minus 4.5, है ना? Less than x, and x less than 1. Now we find out the range. X का range क्या है? Greater than, less than. It is greater than minus 4.5 and less than 1. And x belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay. So solution set लिखते हैं. What will be the solution set? It will be in set builder form because real numbers में belong करता है, so we write it in set builder form. X such that x belongs to R, and minus 4.5 is less than x is less than 1. Okay. Now we'll plot it on the number line. Range है minus 4.5 to 1. So draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. You have to include more negative numbers because minus 4.5 तक है, minus 4.5. So minus 4.5 comes between 4 and 5. Okay. So x is greater than minus 4.5. 4.5 क्या हो जाएगा? Exact midpoint of 4 and 5, है ना? Minus 4 and minus 5 का midpoint will be minus 4.5. So midpoint of that. Okay. So draw a small dot over there. एक छोटा सा point कर दो and circle it. Is this value included? Will x be equal to this value? No, it will not be equal to this value. So keep it as it is. उसको fill नहीं करेंगे. And up to 1. So up to 1 है. Circle this also. In between कोई भी value हो सकता है. Even 1 is not included. Okay. So keep it as it is only. Draw a thick line, dark line कर दो with the help of scale and pencil. Okay, but it should be very neat and understandable. Okay, so this will be the plotting of the number line. Next question, question number 36. Solve the following inequation, write the solution set and represent it on the number line. Minus 3 into x minus 7 is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x, which is greater than x plus 1 by 3, where x belongs to R, that is set of real numbers. So first thing that we have to do is solve the inequation. Okay. Second, we write the solution set, and third, plot on the number line. So पहले solve करते हैं. Write down the inequation. I'm not writing it again. Okay. I'll start from here only. दो inequality signs है, so what are we going to do? First split into two parts and then एक बार solution मिल जाएगा, then combine the solutions. Find the range of x. So minus 3 into x minus 7 is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. Okay. And 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1 by 3. So, opening the brackets, minus 3x plus 21 हो जाएगा, minus into plus minus and minus into minus plus हो जाएगा, is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. And over here, we'll shift 3 on the other side, okay? So, put brackets 15 minus 7x, the whole into 3 is greater than x plus 1. 7x we'll shift over here, okay? X group करते हैं on one side and numbers on the other side. So 7x minus 3x is greater than or equal to 15 minus 21. यहाँ पे 15 3s are 45 and 21x is greater than x plus 1. So 4x is greater than or equal to, we'll get minus 6. Okay. Over here, minus 21x है. I want it to be positive. ठीक है. So I'll shift minus 21x over here and 1 over here. Basically x on one side and number on the other side. So 45 minus 1 is greater than x plus 21x. So we are getting x is greater than or equal to minus 6 by 4. And 44 is greater than 22x. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. That is 1.5. 1.5 मिल रहा है, minus 1.5. And 44 upon 22 हो जाएगा. Okay, greater than x 22 2s are. So x is greater than or equal to minus 1.5 or minus 1.5, and where 2 is greater than x. So range क्या हो जाएगा x का, greater than or less than. So x is less than 2, है ना? 2 is greater than x मतलब x is less than 2 and greater than or equal to भी है, greater than or equal to minus 1.5, where x belongs to our real numbers का set है. So we'll write the solution set in set builder form. So solution set is x such that x belongs to R and then write down the condition, जो भी condition मिला है. Minus 1.5 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 2. Now plotting on the number line, so draw the number line. Minus 1.5 से 2 का range है, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1.5, that is minus 1.5. So minus 1.5 is between minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, so in between. Okay, this will be minus 1.5. So circle this. Is this value included? Is x equal to this value? Yes, it is equal to this value. It will be greater than or equal to this value. So fill कर दो circle को. This value is included up to 2. So up to 2 है. Okay, with the help of scale, darken the line. Okay, pencil से पूरा dark कर दो. Up to 2. So circle 2. Will you fill it? No, because it is not equal to 2. It can be 1.99999, but not 2. Okay. So this will be the plotting on the number line. Moving on to next question. Question number 37. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on a number line. minus 8.5 is less than minus half minus 4x, which is less than or equal to 7.5, where x belongs to I, that is set of integers. So first thing that we have to do is solve the inequation, second find the solution set, and third is plotting on the number line. So पहले inequation solve करते हैं, okay? दो inequality signs है, so we are going to separate it, okay? First split it into two parts, and then once you get the solution, combine it, okay? And then the solution set, and then we will plot it on the number line. So minus 8.5 is less than minus half minus 4x, and minus half minus 4x is less than or equal to 7.5. Okay. Now I'll shift half over here. Okay. You can do one thing. 4x को यहाँ पे shift कर दो and number को यहाँ पे. Number on one side and variable on the other side. Simple logic. So 4x को यहाँ पे shift कर सकते हैं, number को यहाँ पे. Instead I'm shifting the number over here. Okay. So it does not matter as long as you are solving it correctly. I'll do the same thing. Number को ही shift कर दूंगी. So minus 4x is less than or equal to 7.5 minus will become plus half. Okay. Sign will change when you shift on the other side. So mixed fraction है, पहले solve करते हैं. Mixed fraction को proper fraction के form में express करेंगे. 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 17 upon 2. And over here again mixed fraction, so express it in proper fraction form. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15 upon 2 plus half. So we get 1 minus 17 upon 2 is less than minus 4x, and minus 4x is less than or equal to 15 plus 1 upon 2. So we get minus 16 upon 2 is less than minus 4x, and minus 4x is less than or equal to 16 upon 2. 16 upon 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 8. So minus 8 over here is less than minus 4x, and here minus 4x is less than or equal to 8. X का coefficient is negative, so first make it positive, then do the changes. Okay, then we'll divide by 4. But first make the coefficient positive. So when you change the sign on one side, you have to change it on the other side. Simultaneous process है. So minus 8 will become plus 8, and inequality sign reverse हो जाएगा. Okay. So 4x is less than 8. That is 8 is greater than 4x मिल रहा है. And over here the same thing. 4x. So this will become minus 8, and inequality sign reverses. Okay. So dividing by 4, 8 by 4 is greater than x, and on the other side same thing, okay? X is greater than or equal to minus 8 by 4 हो जाएगा, okay? So 2 is greater than x, and over here x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Now we'll combine it together, okay? We got the range, so greater than something, less than something. X is greater than or equal to minus 2. So equal to be here, minus 2, and less than 2. So we got the range of x minus 2 to 2 का range है, okay? And x belongs to the set of integers. So write this down. Now coming to the solution set. So solution set क्या हो जाएगा? Integers है. So integers is a set of negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. So negative number कहाँ से start हो रहा है? X will be greater than or equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is included. It can be equal to minus 2. So minus 2 से start करेंगे. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. And x is less than 2, not equal to 2. So will you include 2 over here? No. We will not include 2. Because it is less than 2. अगर equal to होता तो 2 लिखते, but it is not there, so stop over here. So these are the possible values of x plotted on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -2, -1, 0, 1. So -2 सर्कल करके फिल कर दो, -1 सर्कल करके फिल कर दो, 0 सेम थिंग एंड 1. नो इन बिटवीन वैल्यूज आर देयर. ओके, इंटीजर्स है, सो प्रॉपर वैल्यूज होगा, नो फ्रैक्शंस, नो डेसिमल्स, नथिंग. ओके.